To run C# in Visual Studio Code, you need to install Visual Studio Code and .NET Framework SDK. First let's install VS Code. Open any browser and search for Visual Studio Code. Click code.visualstudio.com. Click Download for Windows. You will be redirected, and your setup.exe file will be downloaded automatically. Once the download is complete, open the exe file. Accept the agreement and click Next button. In here you can specify the path where VS Code has to be installed. You can change it by clicking Browse button. Click Next button to continue. In here you can create a Start menu folder or rename the Start menu folder. Click Next button to continue. I want a desktop shortcut, so I'm clicking Create a desktop icon. Click Next button, click Install. Now Visual Studio Code will start to install on your PC. Once the installation is complete, click Finish. It will automatically launch the Visual Studio Code. Next you need to install C# extension. Go to Extension and search for C#. Click C# and click Install. Now C# extension is successfully installed. Next you need to download and install .NET Framework SDK. Again, open any browser and search for .NET Framework. Click .NET.microsoft.com. In here you can see all the supported version of .NET. Click Install the latest version of .NET. I'm installing the latest version .NET 6, which has long time support. If you want older version, click All .NET version. It is better to install a long time supported version of .NET. Click Download .NET SDK. Your setup file will automatically start to download. Once your setup file is downloaded, open it. Click Install. In here you can see I have downloaded and installed .NET Framework 6. Click Close. To run C# project in Visual Studio Code, first you need to create a project folder. For demonstrating, I'm creating a Hello World project folder. Open the project folder, and type cmd in the address bar to open command prompt in this specific directory. To check if the .NET SDK is properly installed, type .NET version in command prompt. You can see I have .NET version 6 installed. Type .NET New Console to create necessary project files in that particular project folder. Then press Enter. It shows that restore succeeded, thus we have completed creating a C# project folder successfully. You can see here all the necessary project files are created. Now open Visual Studio Code and open that project folder. To open new folder in Visual Studio Code, click File, Open Folder. Then locate the folder in the File Explorer and click Select the folder. Click Yes, I trust the authors. Now it will open that folder in the Visual Studio Code. Click Yes to add assets to build and debug this project. Open the program.cs file. The program.cs is our main program, which has main method in it. Here you can type your C# code. To compile and run the code, you need to open the terminal. You can do that by clicking Terminal, New Terminal. Type .NET Run in that terminal to run your code. You can see the output for the above code here, in the terminal. Voila, we successfully compile and run the C# code in Visual Studio Code. Like, subscribe and share if you like our content. Thanks for watching, we'll see you in our next video.